Oh my goodness, you guys. You know Miss Carter loves surprises, right? This was a great surprise.
I was ambushed with a wonderful award, the Thomas B. Foster Award.
We're at Madrona Elementary today to celebrate Principal Carter with the Thomas Foster Award for Excellence, which is an award the Alliance has been giving out since 1999 to recognize the incredible principals we have here in Seattle Public Schools.
$30,000. I can't wait to collaborate with the staff to figure out what we're going to spend it on.
Joyful, determined, warm, excellent, a hugger, attentive, thoughtful, hardworking, and love. Does that sound like Principal Carter? I agree.
We're doing great work in terms of student academics, in terms of creating a strong school community, advancing racial equity and educational justice in their schools, and really pulling together a school in the way only a principal can.
What a day. When I first came to Madrona, I didn't think it was possible to start closing the achievement gap, but we've worked so hard. And I told the staff, not to worry about the scores yet. Let's just keep doing what we're doing. And so now that the scores are turning and going in the right direction, I'm incredibly honored and thankful that we all bought into our values and beliefs, and we were able to achieve exactly what we said we would achieve. It's on our wish board. This is what we promised what we were going to do, and so I'm really thankful. Yeah.
Here are a few quotes from her nominations. Principal Carter is dedicated to making Madrona a place where all students are celebrated for their genius. She recognizes joy and excellence. She celebrates linguistic and cultural resources and holds students and families accountable to high standards in academic attendance and behavior. She has several initiatives for gender and racial equity, and her door is always open. Does that sound like Principal Carter?
Education is a gift that not everyone gets, and so I feel so blessed and honored to be able to give students that opportunity to make sure that they're receiving high quality instruction. I'm blessed to hire the right staff to make sure our students are getting quality instruction. And I'm so blessed to have Alliance for Education to support what we do as educators each and every day. It's a blessing to have partnerships in this work, and I'm just extremely grateful for the way that they support schools and validate the work that we do.